Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on topographical maps, class 10 geography. It is very important chapters for you, chapter for you guys. In the last video lectures, we have understood already what is topographical map, what is the importance of the topographical map, why should we learn topographical map, scale, types of scale. I hope you can easily understood all the things. Today's topic is again very important and conceptual topic. So without this topic, we can't go through topographical sheet. So if you want to read topographical sheet easily, today's class is very important for you guys. So definitely and surely you have to watch this video at the end of this video so that the concept will be clear. If you have any doubt after watching this video, just do comment in your comment box of YouTube or in your classroom. Okay? So let us start this important and significant topic. Dear students, today's topic is grid reference, locating place and topographical map. As I told you earlier in the last video lecture, we have two set of grid reference reading on topographical map. One is the grid system formed by the lines of latitude and longitude, and another we have the national grid reference. In Bharat, we have only national grid reference. Okay, so national grid reference we have to locate all the in a topographical map all the things either it is man-made or natural. So topographical map is drawn to provide details information of small area. It is not practical to provide only latitude or longitude coordinates of the area. So the topo sheets of the Survey of India also provide a network of vertical and horizontal lines with arbitrary coordinates to help locate a particular place of more easily. That's why in a video, in a topographical sheet, you have opposite sorts of thing, easting and northing. So what you have in a mind is the line from north to south is northing and south to east to east is easting. It is wrong. Okay, we are going to discuss it in a in later, but today we are going to discuss itself also in this thing. The network created by these intersecting lines is called grid. That means horizontal and vertical line. In your last class, you have studied like the grid system, latitude and longitude lines network is grid, but in the national grid reference we have vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, look at this picture. This is topographical map. As you seen in this picture, you have in the 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. If you go through the direction in a geography, it is north to south. Keep in mind what I am saying. Okay, and 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. This is written as in a west to east or east to west manner. So definitely this is longitude lines and this is latitude lines. But in your topographical map, vertical lines because it's national grid system. So in your vertical lines is called easting. That means if you stand, you are in the position of easting. Just keep in mind. And when you lay down your bed or in any place, it is you are in the position of northing. What? You are in the position of north. Keep in mind. Just look at this grid with coordinates. Okay? We have grid with coordinates. So as you seen, wait. So grid system we have this is vertical lines and this is horizontal lines. This is horizontal lines. So this is all about grid. When vertical and horizontal lines of a grid crosses at a point, it is called coordinates. Okay, and the grid reference is sting first written. If you go through the grid lines, sting first you read sting, after that northing. That means in your grid system you read like that 62 31. This is sting and 31 is northing. This is all about four figure grid reference we are going to deal today itself. Okay. Dear students, the both easting and northing successive lines represents a distance of 1000 meter, and while it is giving on a coordinates location on an object, the easting that lies immediately left of the object is to red, and the northing immediately below the object to be red. The southwest corner of the map is point of reference from where star counting. Okay. So to locate place on a topographical map, two types of grid reference can be used: four-figure grid reference and six-figure grid reference. So we are going to discuss one by one. First, four-figure grid reference. As you seen in this black uh, rectangular frame, we have another. This is the open source to read, and this is topographical map. So when you read this 43 66, sorry 86, like that, this is four figure grid reference. So how can we read it? Four figure grid reference are used to give the location of occupy a large area within a particular square. As you have seen in this picture, this is the large square area. Actually it is a square area, and this is Hebatpur. So Hebatpur in a large reference area, you can find it easily in a four-figure grid reference. Okay, large lakes, meanders, settlements, embankments, and the streams can be located with the help of four-figure grid reference. In a four-figure grid reference, the first two figures are easting and last two are northing. Keep in mind, it is very essential concept for you. When you miss this concept, definitely you go to wrong way for reading your topographical sheet, and your answer will be definitely wrong. So keep in mind, first two digit two figure are easting. That means vertical line position. That means here we have 43, 44, 45 is a what is this? It is easting, and 85, 86, 87 is northing in a national grid reference. Keep in mind. Okay. Now this is your topographical sheet. Zoom it out in your video, and after that you have seen, look at this. I want to show you. in a zooming position. Okay, so we have many area here. Look at this. If you have you want to find any place uh, like Gulabganj. So in your question, if it is written like that, where is Gulabganj? Right in a four-figure grid reference, where is Gulabganj? So how you have to go through it? So Gulabganj, for Gulabganj, we have first to deal with from here, go through the lines. Where is Gulabganj? So this is Gulabganj. Okay. Before 66, it is 65 here. Gulabganj. 64, 65, 60. So here to here 65, 66, here to here 66. Okay. So in this we have 64 and look at this 64, and what about northing? So northing we have 31. From here to your 31. So 31, 64 we have Gulabganj. Like that we in this video you can also judge it. So look at this. This is no, this is four figure grid reference. This is four figure grid reference. Okay. So in this we have 4385. 4385. It is four figure grid reference. Okay. Now six figure grid reference. Six figure grid reference are used to pinpoint or point it out of location with a greater accuracy. Suppose that we have sport heights, benchmarks, causeways, temples, post offices, police stations, wells, bridges are located. It is definitely at a fixed point we can locate with the help of six figure grid reference. Okay. In a six figure grid reference, the first three figures refers to string, like in a four figure grid reference. Two figures, first two figures refers to string, like that. So in a six figure grid reference, first three figures refers to string and the last three refers to northings. Okay. To get the six figure grid reference of the place, we divide the square where the place is located into 10 equal parts, uh, like this you have seen in this picture. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. We have a structure of six figure grid reference. So you have to count like that. Okay. And if you count from here, you have to count like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You go through like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from left to right. Okay. So this is six figure grid reference. In your six figure grid reference, suppose you have to find this height, triangulated height 168. What is the reference? So go through it. This is on the point of 7 in a easting, and this is easting 26. 26 7, and northing, in a northing we have triangulated height. Okay, wait. This is 25. Triangulated height is here written. So this is 25 7, and in northing is 90, and here we have uh, from, if you want to 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So we have here 8 9 9. So we have 25 7 9 0 9, like that. Okay. uh, if you want to find x point here, 265. So we have 265. Okay, 265 90. This is 90, and from the point we have to this, like that, 2012. Okay, so this is all about your six figure grid reference. Go to your topographical sheet in your book and just try to make the question based on six figure and four figure grid reference. If you find it difficult to answer it, just write in a comment on your on WhatsApp, or sorry, on YouTube and your classroom also. So thank you so much, dear students, for watching this video.